Sculpture 6, Herby's Tale, designed and painted by professional artist Gayani Ariyaratne. A yellow dog. The dog's chest is covered in white and yellow daisy-style flowers that are raised. The dog's lower half is covered with vibrant flowers on a green background. Inspired by the lush gardens and parks of Canary Wharf and the wonderful connection between dogs and green spaces. This design is influenced by my visit to the diverse plant-filled Crossrail Place Garden and nearby parks, which have native herbs and plants from around the world.